Hello, and welcome to the second development log of my VR horror game. In the last episode, I created a solid base to build upon. This includes a basic enemy and VR implementation. In this devlog, I will build upon what I have already created and create a working, playable demo showing off all of the mechanics that have been programmed thus far.
I am so uncomfortable with the idea of that guy coming in.
Hey, I'm Roger. The goal of this project is to create the scariest horror experience available in VR. If you enjoy this devlog, be sure to check out the last one. With that, enjoy the rest of the video. The most important thing that needed to be programmed into the game was the player interactions. How the player interacts with the environment is always important in video games, and is even more so in VR games, where the player has a much more realistic expectation for their interactions. I first programmed the player's ability to pick up and hold objects. This proved to be much easier than I thought, so I moved on to the next step, throwing objects. After putting these two mechanics together, you're able to very realistically throw and catch objects in the game. I personally found this extremely amusing. The next and most challenging player interaction for me to program was doors. There were many difficulties that arose from trying to program this for me, and I could tell that others had a hard time with this as well because of the serious lack of information online about realistic door interactions. The problem was that the Steam VR plugin I was using, which is the plugin that I used to implement VR into the game, does not seem to be very optimal for certain interactions, such as opening doors. To get the doors to open properly, I actually programmed a workaround. Instead of grabbing the door handle, the player actually grabs an invisible object on the door handle, and I do calculations based off of that invisible object to make the door handle move and open properly. I also made a fake hand appear on the door handle to make it seem like the player is actually grabbing the handle. This alone took me almost a week of problem solving and polishing. With my end goal for this devlog being a demo of all the mechanics programmed thus far, my next goal was to create an environment, an objective, and an obstacle for the player to overcome. Creating small demos is something I like to do when developing my games, because it lets me get a feel of how all the mechanics mesh together without having to actually finish the whole game first. This is only supposed to be a demonstration of the mechanics I have programmed thus far, and it's not at all what the final game is going to actually play or look like. The building I decided to use in the demo was a free building I found in the Unity Asset Store. The building in and of itself felt a little empty, so I filled the building with props from an abandoned hospital pack that I already had. Using pre-made assets let me create a decent environment very quickly, which is important because I don't want to spend too much time creating something that will only be used in a demo. I then took the enemy I had previously made and had him walk towards the player if he saw you. I don't yet have the enemy programmed or animated to attack the player yet, so if he catches the player, it is just simply game over. I finally created an objective. I hid 6 cursed dolls around the building. After collecting all 6 of the dolls and placing them inside of this box, the front doors will unlock, giving the player freedom, and also giving the player access to the surprise ending. I had a few friends who were interested in my game come and play this demo. Here's the gameplay of the first demo of my VR horror game.
So moving around, should I use it? Okay, there we go. I like this. This is freaking creepy.
There's three dolls on the first floor, 2 on the second.
Open up door.
It's pretty smooth though. I like it. Got the baby.
I am so uncomfortable with the idea of that guy coming in. Ah! Oh my god!
Oh. I don't like this. I hear him grunting.
Okay, this is the last one on this floor, right? Gimme, baby. Okay, that guy's back. I gotta run away.
It's a little dark in here.
Why is his skin red? What is he does not do any. He doesn't do any skincare routine.
Holy crap, this is kind of sketchy. I'm not gonna lie, man.
Okay, I definitely hear him. There he is. Oh. Uh-oh.
This is amazing. I mean, I'm scared for my life. He's probably in there. Bro, I don't trust this.
What the heck? I'm gonna yeet the baby.
Bet it's in here.
Oh, I hear him coming towards me. Okay.
I'm scared. Stop. Oh. Why? Why?
The front doors. If they're push open. Drop it like angle properly. Okay, now just walk straight forward.
Into the dark? I don't like that, Raji.
I have faith in you.
Oof. It's so dark. Whoa.
Why is the ground wet?
What? I feel like there's gonna be a jump scare.
Do you think whatever's gonna pop out of me can see me if I'm crouched?
The demo for it. Oh my. Jump scare, really?
Oh, it's
Oh my gosh, I love it.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. I'm still committed.
I got rickrolled.
As of March 16th, 2021, this is as far as the project has gotten. Stay tuned for the next devlog to see where the project goes from here.
Holy crap, this is kind of sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, man.
Okay. I'm gonna yeet the baby.
Oh my god! I don't want to turn around, I just want to die. I don't want to see him. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, I wish I could dance like that guy. You lied to me. Ah! Jesus!